we have been teaming up with Huawei to be able to scale our transport network and also be at the forefront of technology and being able to drive increase automation levels, but also simplify the existing legacy network.
Welcome. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Introduce yourself, please.
Hello everybody, I'm Michael Fränkle. I'm very happy to participate today in the All-In Talk program. I'm the outgoing CTO of Tele Columbus. Today we want to talk about the achievements we have been doing together with Huawei on the network construction, especially looking on the transport network. Let's get started.
With the advent of digitalization and intelligence, what plans and goals does the Tele Columbus have in place to improve the quality of the home and enterprise digital intelligence services?
Well, next to all the regulatory changes in the marketplace in Germany, Tele Columbus comes from a very historic place of being a cable operator. And the company has been accomplished through various acquisitions and mergers. So we are at the moment at the brink of transforming our HFC DOCSIS network into a fiber GPON network. And with this, we also need to, of course, adopt and adjust our transport infrastructure. And for that, we have been teaming up with Huawei to be able to scale our transport network and also be at the forefront of technology and being able to drive increase automation levels, but also simplify the existing legacy network. So probably a pretty standard situation for any sort of incumbent network operator.
What measure have you taken and achieved in the process?
Well, like always in such evolutions, people looked into the marketplace, looked what best practice do, what offerings are there. Then, of course, the company went into a competition process to look at some details in an RFQ process. And then, of course, we did a proof of concept together with Huawei to make sure that the technology plays as the requirements are. And I think for the B2B and B2C requirements, this is something which is important to Tele Columbus to make sure that we can scale the traffic and the requirements for the future.
What are the plans and the prospects for the next step of a cooperation with Huawei?
Well, as I said, I think it's important now to make sure the technology starts scaling, that whilst we migrate from a very cable TV distribution oriented business into a ISP business, we can cope with all the traffic growth and service growth and also the requirements on network quality. And I think this is something now together with Huawei the company will explore, and then of course make sure that newer additions, new services and even some large-scale innovations can be accomplished with the program Huawei can provide.
At the end, we got two more questions. We want to hear your voice. What impressed you most about Huawei booth?
I think it's like always a lighthouse of innovation, the Huawei booth. I think there's AI is a big topic this week, and I'm eager to explore together with the Huawei team what else can be explored on the fixed line as well as on the mobile side for the industry.
If you had to capture this year's MWC vibe in the one word, what it would be?
Well, I think so far a lot is happening as well as on the network, on the IT side, on AI. I think this is driving a bit the key theme this year, apart from the innovations we see on the service and device side. So I'm very eager to explore this the next couple of days here in Barcelona.
Thank you so much, sir. We should have a great journey in MWC 2025.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure being part of Huawei's All-In Talk. Stay tuned and happy to come back. Thank you.